Looking for a refreshing and delightful citrusy treat? Well, you're in luck. Today we're whipping up a citrus burst parfait that's guaranteed to tantalize your taste buds. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need scoops of citrus sorbet. Lemon, lime, and orange are all fantastic choices. Next, for our lemon-lime cheesecake mousse, you'll need lemon and lime zest, cream cheese, sugar, and whipped cream. This light and airy mousse will add a delightful tang to our parfait. Don't forget the berry compote, a mix of strawberries, blueberries, raspberries cooked down with a touch of sugar. Lastly, for some crunch, we'll need vanilla almond granola. Start with a scoop of your citrus sorbet at the bottom of a clear glass. Next, add a layer of the lemon-lime cheesecake mousse. This mousse is so creamy and full of zest, it's like a little slice of cheesecake heaven. Then, spoon over your berry compote. The sweetness of the berries pairs perfectly with the sour citrus elements. Finally, sprinkle on a layer of vanilla almond granola for that satisfying crunch. Repeat these layers until the glass is filled to the brim. And for that final flourish, top your parfait with fresh berries and a sprig of mint for a burst of color and extra freshness. Remember, this dessert is best served chilled, so pop it into the fridge for a bit before indulging. The refreshing citrus sorbet, creamy lemon-lime cheesecake mousse, sweet berry compote, and crunchy vanilla almond granola come together to create a symphony of flavors that's simply irresistible. So there you have it, the Citrus Burst Parfait, a delightful treat that's just bursting with refreshing citrus flavors and contrasting textures. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just someone with a sweet tooth, this recipe is sure to impress. Enjoy!